Hi everyone, so today I am going to be unbagging slash unboxing, which is probably a more normal term, this goodie bag from Space NK. I recently was invited to the Space NK Christmas press day, and I mean it was July, but that's when all these press days are happening for Christmas, the kind of ones that are a bit more like ahead of the time, and I didn't expect to get the email because, I mean, when I got there, I was like, oh, it's just some normal press day. Like, I'm sure it's supposed to be like some normal press day. But then I got there and they were like, Caroline Hirons, Hello October, Susie from Hello October, oh, who else? They were like big YouTubers, big beauty bloggers, and I just felt a bit like a fish out of water. Is that the right saying? I don't know. But yeah, I was really honoured to be invited, and I mean there's so many luxe incredible brands, and this is quite a few days later and I still haven't opened this because I wanted to do it on here. I was gonna do it on my stories, but I thought like actually this would be nicer and I can look back on it and it might be of slightly better quality, even though it's on my vlog camera, so it might not be, who knows. Anyway, so let's see what's inside. Okay, do I seem like a bit of a dork? Like, oh my god, what's inside my goodie bag from Space NK where there were loads of big bloggers? Ah! Anyway, right. Nice paper with all the makeup on it. Oh my god, it is full. Look at all of that. My goodness. Okay, I'll try and be really, really quick. Okay. First thing, Goldfaden MD. I've had some of their stuff. I had a cleanser from them before, very nice. This is the Detox Hydrating Gel. I don't know how much this goodie bag's worth, but I know Goldfaden is expensive as it is, so it's a good thing. Oh, it's really, really similar fit pump type thing as the gel I've got. Don't know if you can see that, it's a bit bright, isn't it? Because I'm facing out the window because I haven't got my lights up. Okay, so that's one of them. Then Oskia, I know that brand's really nice. Also the packaging is lush. Adaptive Tan Mist, Tri-Phase Self Tanning Water. Ooh, that sounds fun. Oh, also when it kind of gets to the end of summer, you've got a bit of a tan, it starts to fade away. Oh, it's a bit leaky. Oh no, I'm sure it's fine though. Oh yeah, so it's just a spray. Oh, I cannot wait to try that. That looks fabulous. How do people do this? I mean, unless I touch the screen, I don't know if I can get it. Anyway, I'll put the link to all the products down below, I think. Okay. Oh, Aromatherapy Associates. I think it must be for Christmas, and it is their Open Space Bath and Shower Gel. Pull this off. Oh, that's really pretty. Oops. That's nice. Let's have a smell. I love aromatherapy in general. Oh, I don't know if that was meant to come off. Oh, that smells heavenly. That smells really relaxing. I love a bath oil. I've always liked bath oils. I will always use them. That's not being gifted to anyone. That's for myself because that is lush. Okay. Next, that's 3 things now. Oh, these are the same. I don't think I was meant to get 2 of these, but there are 2. Cat Burki Retin-C Treatment Complex, Advanced Anti-Aging. So I think this must be a sort of acid type thing. One from my auntie, I don't know. I'm so wary of acids. I'm scared of them, but I also like the concept of them, but I don't want to get burnt skin. Yeah, I'm not sure. I've done a blog on them, so I've done quite a lot of research. I just haven't worked out if I want to use it, but I have got a bit of scarring from acne here, so I would maybe be interested in trying a very soft peel acid or something. Yeah, that looks really nice, really posh. And I have 2. Thank you, Space NK. I'm sure that was a mistake. Right, next, Rodial, I think it's Rodial. I have read her book, the Boss Overnight Success one. Loved it, that was great. So yeah, I really like her stuff. This one is Rose Gold Serum, Reshape and Rejuvenate. Oh, I like the packaging. It's all like pearlescent here and then rose gold at the top. Nice, I really like that. That looks smart. That would be very nice on a shelfie. Oh, also let me know if you tried any of these products. Like, I'm gonna try it as much as I can, but let me know if there's something I should be trying first. I mean, I might have a bath tonight with this. Okay, next. Algenist, I don't know this brand. Hyaluronic acid, oh, another acid. So big right now. Oh, it's from America, San Francisco. And microalgae oil. Ooh. Plastic casing. Sounds, I don't know if it's maybe a tester. Oh, it smells good. It looks like a really delicate cream. I'm surprised that it's any sort of acidy type thing. Let's hope it doesn't hurt, because it's now on my hands. It feels really nice. Anyway, okay, on to the next. What have we got here? Institute Esthederm. It's their body mist, and it's like, it optimizes natural tanning. I don't know if it particularly makes you tan, but I really like it. I like that it's in a spray. Yeah, I really like that. I like that tin as well. It's quite light, so if you want to travel with that, that's really good. Okay, so this I popped in here because when you were there, if you took a photo of your shelfie that you create yourself at the event, then you go over to a sort of like, what do you call it? Like a pinball? No. Oh, I don't know what you call them. You know when you put in your money and you press something and it comes out like a present? Oh, I don't know. If I remember it when I'm editing it, I'll write it down here. But anyway, this is the present that I got out of there. And it is Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Gels. Oh, that's nice. They're in separate sachets. That's really cool. Oh, this is the same sort of mint green kind of Tiffany's and what we used for our wedding, actually. Oh, that's really cool. That's quite nice. There are 4 in there. That's really nice if you're having like a sleepover or something. Oh no, there's 5. Did I already say that? No. Yeah, 5 pairs. That's amazing. That's really nice for a sleepover. A very grown-up sleepover. Or maybe like, ooh, this would be really good in like a, because this is obviously from their Christmas stuff. There's some new stuff for Christmas and some that's already been going. But this would be really nice in that thing that everyone's talking about now, having a Christmas Eve box. So this would be like a really nice grown-up one, so like not for the children but for the grown-ups to have in their pre-Christmas box. That'd be so cool. This has got hyaluronic acid and caffeine and collagen, so do you know what, you might need that for Christmas morning. Really, really nice. Okay, there's 2 more products in here. Oh, okay, so I had an audition straight after the event, so I couldn't stay, but they had people downstairs from Living Proof doing blow dries, and I was really gutted because everyone was coming out looking like poof, poof, lush, and I was like, that would be really good before my audition, but I didn't have time. So they were like, oh, don't worry, it's in your goodie bag, the product that we're talking about. And it is their Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate. Heat protection up to 450 degrees Celsius. That's amazing. It cuts blow dry time in half, apparently. I think it was half, she said to me. Spread 2 pumps in hand and apply to clean, damp, sectioned hair, avoiding roots. Blow out with brush. I have no idea how that's meant to make your hair dry quicker, but that's awesome if it does, because my hair, when I have to dry it, there's so much of it, it's so thick and it takes forever. So that looks really cool. I'm really looking forward to that. I like the packaging as well, nice and sleek. Okay, and then the last product is the IGK. I've never tried their products. I've seen a lot of bloggers talk about IGK and I've always wanted to try it. So that's nice, I get something. Although I really want to try their dry shampoo. So yeah, I might need to get that. I don't know how much it is. And actually, oh wow, my brain's just going poof. I did recently run out of heat protecting spray, and I put it on Instagram stories, and so many people came back to me saying use IGK's heat protecting, so I should try and invest in that instead, or over anything else. But this one is their coconut oil gel. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like a posh hairdresser's. That looks really nice. I don't know what you meant to use it. Put on your clean towel dried hair and let air dry for optimal separation and hydration, a la your favourite supermodel. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I really like the look of this brand. I'm really looking forward to trying it. I feel like they've just exploded and they're huge right now. Amazing. So yeah, that is everything. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up if you have, and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like me to video next, and tell me which one is your favourite product, or if you've already used any of them. See you all soon. Bye.